So good evening, my dear friends, and you are
Good
amazing
evening, sir.
people of amazing country, Bharat.
Yes, sir.
We all are here, practice our English. We all are good. We all are good at speaking English, but we are trying to be better. And one day we will be the best. What do you think? Can we do it or not?
Yes,
Yes, sir,
sir.
we can.
Definitely, we can.
So good, better, best. Never let it race
Definitely,
until
sir.
your
One
good
day
is
we can.
better and your better is best. And I strongly believe that every day is a new day. So we should keep practicing. We should keep making progress in our life. And everything is possible if you keep trying. So let's try.
Yes,
And
sir.
today, first of all, I would like to invite Ilarani for welcome speech.
Thank you, sir. Hi, everyone. Good evening, all of you. A cordial welcome to our respected teacher, Prakash Kalal sir, a man with great vision.
Yeah, Ilarani, keep it up.
Yes, sir. Sir, is it audible what I said?
Yeah.
Okay, thank you, sir. And also, I truly delighted to welcome all of our newcomers here today. Weekend Institute is a good platform for people who wants to improve in English speaking and vocabulary. It have helped me a lot and I hope it will help our new friends too. I wish a good wishes to all and thank you.
So really it was wonderful, short welcome speech. And yesterday I promised some of our speakers. They did not get chance yesterday, and I always keep my promises. So today we are going to start with Sarah. Are you ready, Sarah?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, where is Sarah? Yes. Sarah, are you ready to speak?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Yes, sir. Good evening, sir. And good evening to all my dear friends. Today, I am going to talk about positive change in my life. When some situations are happened in my life, every person have a different situation in a different condition. And then when they came out their situation, they feel positive change in their life. I was when I was a seventh standard. I do not give a speech on the stage. Even I do not give speech in front of my classroom. One day, my friend came to me and she said to me, "Let Sarah we give a speech on the stage." But I said no because I do not give speech because I was afraid. That time I feel very bad. But one day I sought my father to give a speech in a public. I get very inspired for him and I learned by him. And then I do practice to give a speech in front of my family members, my friends, and my my friends and my class. And then one day I give speech in a public and I spoke very well. My family members, my friends, and my teachers are very happy for me. And then I built my confidence to give a speech on the stage. Today, I do not get afraid to give speech on the stage. I think this is the positive change in my life. Okay, thank you, sir.
Yeah. Wonderful, wonderful, really wonderful. So Papia, give her a feedback speech.
Yes, sir. So I think she is very good, and her speaking was also good, and the way she changed her and the way she changed, I think that is also good. So,
So in
that's
the beginning, she
also.
was afraid of making speech.
Thank you.
but when she tried, then she did well. So that's good. That's a life. Okay.
Yeah.
So first, something is strange for us, something is unfamiliar for us, then we have fear. But we when face our fear, we can be stronger and we can achieve whatever we want to achieve in our life. And she did it. Really wonderful, wonderful. So next, let's go to Sujit, Kolkata.
Thank you, sir.
Good evening, sir. Good evening, my all of my friends. And today I will share my very nice incident in my life. How I faced that negativity. After that, it was converted into positive life. And one day, what was happened? We are trying to study our higher education. At that time, we decided we'll study a graduation. Means very in computer education, we will start and we will complete. But we tried to find where is a good institute or anything like that. So we went our nearby good institute, and there their head principal ma'am totally break down our dream. Okay, and she asked me everything about our future, what is our goal and everything. So that time I was not aware of it, and I just decided, I just determined it, I will do something in my for my future. But suddenly, what I got reply from her, totally my dream, everything has been destroyed. So what I'll do, I totally disappointed that time, and I returned back my home. And 1 2 week I discuss with my friends, relatives who knows the computer very well. But that time I decided, no, I will not give up, I will start again. So that time I joined another same university, maybe not same institute but different branch. But there I'm not tell or my truth, original what I am. I wrong things, wrong information I given and taken admission. But that time there one principal sir, he was very good person and he guided me, and I explained all the things. After I joined 1 2 months later, I explained all the things. Sir, that is my scenario, that's my education qualification, and that is my quality. So you just guide me. Will I select or not? Will I make it my future or not? You just guide me. If you will say yes, then I will continue. Otherwise, I will leave this university, because I'll came for only for wrong way. It is not a good sign for me. So that time that person said only one thing: if you have a courage and if you believe yourself, then you have to do it. So after that I started again, and I given so many hard work. Within 3.5 months I selected good university, and I completed my master degree. So that time I learned one things: if you have a belief and if you have a courage, then whatever people will say, whatever misguide you get from the others person, you change it yourself. So I changed my negativity and turned back to positive. So this was my journey. It was great, sir. Thank you, sir.
Oh, okay, wonderful. So you are very challenging boy. You always accept challenge in your life. Good. So that's good sign for you. So I request Alok Jaina to give him a feedback speech. Yes, Alok Jaina. Hello, Alok. Can you hear me?
Hello?
Yeah,
Hello?
yeah.
Hello?
Yeah, Alok, I
Uh,
want you to make a feedback speech for Sujit Kolkata.
okay, sir.
Hmm.
Sujit, actually, his voice is very sweet, and he speaks, slowly. We can understand very well whatever he said. So I like your speech actually.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Okay, really very nice. So day by day you are making improvement, making progress. That's good.
Thank you, sir. Thank
So
you.
now let's go
It's
to
all about
Gujarat.
you, sir.
Yeah, thank you. So let's go to Gujarat, and KU did not get chance to speak yesterday. So yeah, KU, this is your turn to speak.
Hello, sir. Thank you. Thank you for giving me a chance. Hello, everyone, and good evening. So, today's our topic is describe a positive change in your life. So, positive change. I want to define it first. In uh, in my way, what is positive change? So, I think positive change is that some change in your life that make change in your thoughts or in your life, whatever. That small or big change, that change in your life. So I want to talk about my recently change in my life. So I can say this is the positive change for me. So in this lockdown, I usually not read many books. Make my mind because that books teach us uh, many good things. So I start reading, and till now I completed 3 books. I want to tell you about this book. First one is the our APJ Abdul Kalam's book, Wings on Fire. Second one is Gandhiji's The Experiment with Truth, and third one is our sir's one of the favorite alchemist. So this book teach me many lessons. Like if I talk about Wings on Fire, so in this book, APJ Abdul Kalam sir teaches how there is life and many obstacles in your life. Someone act to uh, make fail you, but always determination towards your goal. So dedicated to your goal. So always try and try. So get get the success for sure. So second, I want to talk about our Gandhiji's book, Experiment with Truth. So life is a journey and you will experience many things. So your experience take as them as experiment to grow yourself day by day. And last one is alchemist. I want to say only one thing about alchemist is uh, I want to read it for you. So we can learn that the process is self discovery is the real treasure. So I want to talk about it. Uh, your journey is the process. You find what is treasure for yourself. It's only your journey. What that teach you many things, and this is the real treasure for you. So that's all. That's all from me. And I can say this is the positive change for me because this by reading this book, I make myself better day by day. So that's all. Thank you.
So really wonderful, because KU is inspired by great books and by great
Yes,
people.
sir.
So really, if you want to make yourself better, read great people, think about great people, then you can be a great person. Definitely or not?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
These thoughts make some positive vibes in myself, so I can determine towards my goal always.
Very nice. Superb, superb. Carry on. Good luck. Good luck. Okay,
Thank
so
you, sir.
now let's go to Lakshmi.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yeah, Lakshmi. Can you give your
Yeah.
feedback speech?
Yeah. Yeah, he's a very studious boy and He loved reading books, and it is very good for us to read books because in great people in great books written by great people, uh, they they write their you know experiences, and from their experiences we can learn many things, and also we can apply them in our life. So it's very good. He's doing very good job, and carry on. You will be success in your life. And I wanna ask him that what are you doing now? I mean,
I'm on
working or
yeah, no,
studying?
no, no. I am just studying. I'm studying for RTO job, motor vehicle assistant inspector. Yes.
Okay, okay, it's all right.
Thank you for this kind words for me.
Hmm.
Yeah, yeah.
Okay.
Welcome.
So let's go to now. Yeah, I'm confused. Okay, we have one new speaker here, Galaxy on 5.
It's very funny, sir.
Okay, it's really. So I don't know your name, please. So now this is your turn to speak on this topic, Galaxy on 5. Yeah, she's a new speaker. Just,
Sir, am I audible?
yeah. Yeah, hello. Okay, your network is low.
Didn't
That's
hearing you.
why. Okay, wait. Then let's go to now. Yeah, Kalpana madam. Yes.
Hello, sir.
Yeah.
Hello, sir.
Hello. Yeah.
Hello. Yeah, okay. Hello, sir. Good evening. Hi, everyone. Good evening to all of you. Today's topic is really virtuous, though all are the topics which serves us are all the quite useful for us. It is really self-diving for us so that we take a glance towards our personal life, to speaking here something.
Hmm.
Uh, into college, uh, I have completed in special English. So thus I am thankful for my papa that I'm here and this platform, and I can onwards I wanted goal and to approach my. I'm very glad to be with Weekend Institute. I'm getting confidence now. I'm, now I can start that I can achieve my goal and will approach my dream. If I really feel energetic and happy, and really I'm feeling um if I have my some working on that platform. And I want to do something on education. So I want to give my best for edu. I have prepared some basic things for that and organized our trust and so on. Within 2 years, I won't work on that platform very full time. I want to give great gratitude and big thanks what you are doing for us, sir. And really, it's brought down things for us. And I must say, you must one day because nothing is failed, whatever good deeds we are doing. So I would pray for all have dreams and definitely come true. All first of all, we have to be satisfied with us, and then after we would be able to give to others. That's it. Thank you, sir.
I think sir got disconnected.
Sorry,
If I'm
sorry.
not wrong.
I request Nageshwar, please give her a feedback speech. Can you hear me?
Thanks. Yes, sir. I can.
Yeah.
Thank you. That's good.
Sir, your voice is not coming properly.
Yes, sir.
There was no electricity. Now I'm back. Okay. Can you hear me?
Is heavy raining? Hello.
Yeah, it's raining there. That's why. Sorry, yeah, I'm back. I'm back. So now
Okay,
I
sir.
request. Okay, now I request Ashok Maurya to make a speech. Yeah. Ashok Maurya. Hello, Ashok Maurya. Can you hear me?
Hello. And yes.
Okay. No, his network is not perfect. So I request Shubham. Your network is not perfect. Ashok, I will come to you after some minutes, after some time. Yeah. Shubham.
Hello, sir.
Yeah, hello.
Hello.
Yeah, hello.
Hello. Hello. Am I audible, sir?
Yes, you are audible.
Today is my first class.
Okay.
Hello. My name is History. Hello.
Okay, again, you have a network problem. That's why we cannot hear you properly. Okay.
Hello.
Okay, fine.
So now I would like to request. I would like to request Pankaj Udaipur. Yeah. Then Shubham be ready. Now Pankaj Udaipur, then Shubham be ready.
Okay. Good evening, sir. Good evening to all. So today's topic is positive change in my life. There are lots of positive change right now in my life, and there are lots of things happen in my life. But I want to share one incident of my life that made me positive so much. I was the final year of my engineering. It around approx it was 2014. So on that time, suddenly my father met with an accident, and he was very serious. He was hospitalized for 1 month. On that time, I feel that no one helped us in our bed situation or in our bed condition. I was very alone. My family was very alone on the time because my father was only one person earning money for us. My family member, my cousin family member leave us alone. So that was very changeable moment in my life. Before that, situation, or I can say before that moment, I was very bad boy. I was spend my all the time in playing and do all bad works, and I can say I was mannerless person. But this scenario, this scheme happened in my family suddenly. So we are going very back. On the time, I thought that no one help us in our bad time. So if I want to grow up, so I have to change myself and I have to create my own posture if I want to fight with my bad time. So on the time I grow myself, I thinking about me what I'm doing. This is right or not? Because I'm alone in our life. Because if my father is on bed rest, then what my family can do without my father or without any type of earning. So on the time I start doing change in my life. I left my bad habits. I start working on myself, and I start making positive changes in my life. I start give respect to others. I left all the bad habits, and day by day, I am thinking that incident in my mind, and I become change slowly. And after some time, I completed my engineering. Then I have started job. Then I am earning. I'm started earning money, and right now I can say if I am here and I'm in a well position, uh, that all credit goes to that incident, because that incident was completely changed my life and complete convert me negative to positive. That's it, sir. Thank you.
Oh, really wonderful. Real life experience. Good. Okay, so now I request Sagar Patil, please give him a feedback speech. Sagar Patil.
Oh, sorry, sir.
Yeah.
Actually, it was muted.
Yeah.
Yeah, this is very nice, and he's already good in English. Actually, I think he will communicate with the more people in with his job, and also he yesterday said that he's very enjoying his speaking with someone and communicating with the other people. He is speaking fluently, and his grammar is very nice. And his life, actually, he said about the positive changes in his life. That is also very nice. Overall speech is very nice. I'm happy with that.
Thank you. Thank you very much, Sagar.
So let's go
How
to
is your father now? How is your father now?
Lakshmi is asking you, how is your father now?
Yeah, he's very nice, and he's okay, fine, very fine right now.
Okay.
Does he go
Okay,
to
thank
job or not? Does he go to job?
Yeah, right.
Okay, that's good.
This incident was very far from right now, because it was the story or incident about 2014. So he's recovered very nicely, and we helped him too much.
Okay, so now let's go to Shubham
And
Kalal.
especially, I can say my mother helped him too much for recovery of my father.
That's good. So let's go to Shubham. He has been waiting for his turn. Yeah, Shubham.
Good evening to all. Today I am talking about a positive change in my life. So I talking when I am college. My all friends are different skills. They have unique skills, but I think that time I am nothing. So I want to also famous in college. So I want to join in our college. I want to join college club, but coach can't give me a chance in club. So, but God gave me another chance. At that time, our college organized one cricket match against a club team or a non-club team. So I participated there. At that time, I participate and I perform well. Uh, I perform well that time. So many and also my friend that time I perform well. So all friends recognize me and all appreciate me. And that things change my thinking thought process. So I always try. I will. That thing change my thought process, and always I want to try all things. So I take another program of participated.
That's good. That's good. Okay. So,
Always,
dear friends, yeah, excuse me, dear friends. We have 1 minute left.
Things made my confidence.
Hello, excuse me, Subham. Excuse me. We have 1 minute left in this session, and some new speakers don't know. We always have 2 sessions with same ID and same password. So after 1 minute, our meeting will be ended. But after a short break, after the break of 3 minutes, we are going to be here again. And I'm also going to tell my turning point of my life. It is really quite interesting. And all speakers will get chance to speak because we have enough time today. Okay. So here is the end of our first session, and let's see in the second session after 3 minutes. Okay. So let me end this meeting now.
Okay.
Yeah.